The world is changing like never before. Newer technologies are coming to the forefront, and the older ones are fading. The frantic pace of change has prompted organizations to reassess their skilling strategies. Organizations must proactively and continuously teach relevant skills to their teams. Now, this Future Skills Roadmap starts by understanding the current skills landscape of an organization. That's where Mercer Mettl comes into the picture. We empower you to execute an end-to-end upskilling and reskilling strategy in 3 simple steps: identifying what to train, who to train, and measuring training effectiveness. Let's explain it in some detail. We undertake a skills gap analysis exercise to understand the training requirements, where we identify the gaps between current skills and the ones required through structured assessments. Mercer Mettl enables this exercise through its suite of robust and technologically advanced tools consisting of a suite of assessment tools, advanced coding simulators, virtual assessment and development centers, and the 360-degree feedback tool. Our suite of holistic assessment tools accurately and scientifically measures domain skills, coding skills, personality traits, cognitive ability, and communication skills. Our advanced coding simulators allow you to measure the real-world programming skills of your candidates for all major technical roles, including front-end, back-end, full stack, data science, and more. Virtual assessment centers. This fully online solution helps you identify the development needs of your employees by conducting professional exercises designed to assess an individual's skills and fitment, including role plays, case studies, simulators, etc. 360-degree feedback tool. This tool helps you gather 360-degree feedback to identify an employee's gaps in skills and behavioral traits as perceived by other stakeholders. To figure out who to train, we deploy learning agility and skills proximity assessments. The learning agility assessment uncovers the agility levels of an employee, or, in other words, how fast the employee can learn a specific skill. The skills proximity assessment uncovers how close employees are to the required skill sets and how much they need to learn. A combination of agility and proximity assessments identifies which employees can be trained on what skills and levels. Finally, we measure whether the training program has reached its intended goal using our pre- and post-training assessments. These tools can be used in combination or customized as per the requirements of job role, seniority, and scale. After running skills assessment programs, we also provide detailed, insightful reports and automated certificates to employees. And yes, this opens up a world of possibilities for you. You can conduct upskilling and reskilling programs and undertake large-scale strategic initiatives, such as digital transformation, future of work, targeted employee skilling, among others. That's not all. Our digital tools ensure that you get everything online. Also, you can easily administer the assessments remotely at scale, secured by Mercer Mettl's powerful AI-powered remote proctoring technology. So what are you waiting for? Start your transformation journey now. Schedule your demo at www.mettl.com or write to us at mettlcontact@mercer.com. Mercer Mettl, your trusted talent assessment partner.